Hey TechKnowStuds, time to troubleshoot another issue. I've introduced another issue into our network, so let's see if we can find it. All right, down here we can see that I'm not pinging this other switch on this side. I'm from this demo laptop, I can't ping this switch. Let's go through those troubleshooting steps. I'm gonna pull out a separate window and we're going to, once again, try to ping our what I am calling the internet for our network. I don't have internet set up on this right yet, but we're calling the loopback address of R2 our internet. So 10.241.0.3 is that loopback address, and I am able to get to that. So I know that I got at least connected from this laptop all the way to this router right here, this router 2 right here. So I'm good to go there. So what do we not have access to? Well, I can ping this interface right here to see if I've got connectivity to this interface right here. Or let's do router 3 actually. So let's ping router 3. So I'm going to ping 10.241, excuse me, 240 dot, that would be 0, drawing blank here. That'd be 3.1, 3.2. So that's pinging the other side there. Doesn't look like I'm able to ping that. So I'm going to stop that and ping .1. And same thing, I'm not able to ping 10.240.3.1. So neither of those connections are pingable. I can't ping here. I know that it's not a routing issue because I'm able to route all the way to this router. I can get to the outside world or this loopback interface. I just can't get to this particular network right there. So let's go ahead and jump on R2 and see what's going on R2. So here I am on R2. And the next thing I'm going to do is just do a show IP interface brief because there was something going on with that interface. And I take a look at this, serial 000, and what's interesting is the status is up, but the protocol is down. So when we think of the protocol being down, but the status is up, that means we do have at least some sort of layer 1 connectivity. We just don't have a layer 2 connectivity. So let's do a show run, and then we'll take a look at our interface S000 and take a look at what that says, okay? IP address, so that's the IP address I would expect, encapsulation PPP, and got a IP version 6, so pretty standard, nothing too crazy there. So let's jump over to router 3. Of course, I don't have connectivity to router 3 right now. I lost connectivity to it. So I need to figure out, I need to go and get a console cable and plug it in. I happen to have already done that. So I'm going to jump on to R3 here, and we'll do a, got to grab the console password for it. So we'll paste it into there, get into the enable mode, and then grab this password right here and paste it into there. So now I'm on R3. I'm going to do a show IP interface brief on this side as well. And I see the same thing, which is not surprising. I mean, it should be the same on each side, up, down. Okay, I'm going to do a show run interface S000. And we do that. And IP address, it's the IP address I would expect. But what's different about this is it doesn't have that encapsulation PPP. So it's actually a different protocol. The default protocol for an interface is going to be HDLC, at least for your serial interface is going to be HDLC. So this side is speaking HDLC, the other side is speaking point-to-point protocol. And the one that I want across this connection, it was originally supposed to be HDLC. So the change needs to happen on R2. I'm going to pull up R2 and I'm going to get into the global configuration mode. I'm going to get into interface S000, and then I'm going to do no encapsulation on this interface right here. So I'll do that. And then that should fix our problem. So give it a second. The OSPF has to do its thing to send that information, that new information about those new networks out. So once it's done that, then we'll take a look at it. Okay, and it is up and running. One thing that I thought of when I was waiting for it to come up and running is we could have gone back and done a show IP interface brief just to make sure that in fact we fixed the issue. So if I did that, I would see that the interface was in fact up now, it's up, and that we had connectivity. So that would be one of the steps I probably would have done as well, just to see if I had made the correct change. So there you have it. So the protocols on both sides need to match, otherwise we're not going to have that link fully up and running.